Hello, we are living in a digital world where internet have penetrated into our lives and we use more and more digital devices for our need of communication, may it be entertainment, to get the information, to connect with people, to pass our leisure time, and to just chill out. We use more and more internet and digital devices. So it is a digital era. So let me show you some trends of today's world, that there are around 625 million internet users in India, which frames about 46% of the population. This is as per the data of February 21. And these users are expected to increase to 650 million in 2023. The average time spent by one person in front of the digital device is about 4.6 hours per day, as per the data available in 2020. Whereas the same time spent by each person in front of digital devices was just 3.3 hours per day in 2019. That means in 1 year, there is a growth of about 40%, which is a huge growth. I mean to say that we have moved to these digital devices in place of the other mediums. Like earlier there was print media like newspapers, books, magazines, radio and television, and those readership and viewership has been reduced nowadays by a greater extent, and people have shifted towards internet and digital devices. So for the businesses and for the company who have to sell their products or the services to their customers, and they used to advertise in those print media, newspaper, books, magazines, and radio and television. So they also have to move to these internet world or these digital devices to reach to their customers. So I'm going to tell you the 6 places on the internet where they can find their customers. Hi, I'm Simran Singh Makkad, and these 6 places on the internet are, one of the very big place or the very major place is Facebook. We all know Facebook, that it is the largest social media platform, and in the world there are about 2.6 billion active users of these Facebook, which constitute about 33% of the global population, and with 1.73 billion monthly active users are there, where these users in India are about 220 million, which makes out to be about 22% of the population. And this is expected to increase to 444 million in 2025. That is a huge 53% increase they are going to see. So since more and more people use Facebook, they spend more and more of their time on Facebook. So businesses and companies, for them, Facebook is the largest platform to advertise. That is the reason you see lot of ads when you browse through the Facebook. The beauty of this platform is that businesses can target their customers, or they can find their prospects on the basis of age, sex, location, education, marital status, their interest, their employment. There are many categories or criterias by which they can find their customers, and they can rightly target their prospects. So the next is the YouTube, which is the second most used or the second most popular social media platform. As you know, it's a video sharing platform. There are about 2.3 billion users in the world. That makes about 29% of the population. And in India, there are about 230 million users. That constitutes about 17% of the population. Such is the penetration of the YouTube. The targeting or the basis to find your customer is the keywords. Like, as you know, this is the platform of Google. So the search criteria is also, as you search in the Google, you type any keyword, like if you are looking for any healthy recipe, if you are looking for any latest song in the Bollywood, latest song in the Hollywood, or whatever keyword you type, you can get the results. On the basis of keyword, targeting is done. Then there is Instagram. Instagram is the sixth most popular social network in the world, with about 1 billion active users on the monthly basis. And daily active users are about 500 million. That means on a daily basis, around 500 million people use Instagram daily in the world. And people spend about 28 minutes on an average of their day on the Instagram. And if we talk about India, there are about 140 million active users in India, which makes about 10% of the Indian population. As you know, Instagram is also is a part of Facebook network. So whatever advertisement are done for Facebook, they are shown on Instagram as well. And then there is LinkedIn, social media platform. It's a social network for business community. It is a place for professionals to connect with each other, discuss their business ideas, and search for jobs and look for the new hires. Here you can target potential clients by industry, company, job title, and more to start reaching to people who matter most to your business. Means you can target your prospects by their company, industry, job title, and so on in the LinkedIn. So it's a very specific kind of platform. Then, as everybody of the internet user know that there are Google search pages. Google search pages are the pages when you type any query in the Google, then Google gives you a result of that query. That page is called as SERP, search engine result page. This search engine result page, in addition to that organic results, also shows a paid search and pay per click ads. Means there will be some organic results, means which will be the genuine result of your query, which will be shown in the sequence. But there will also be some there will also be some paid results which will show on top of the page, and there will also be some pay per click ads also will be there, as I'll show you here in this page. Suppose you have typed best software for sales effectiveness, then on the top of the page where this ad is written, this is the paid ad, where some result will be shown, and also some pay per click ads will be shown here also. While here at the base you will find your organic search, means the best results meeting your queries will be shown here. So this is the Google search page, or SERP, search engine result page. Then there are third-party websites, like whenever you are browsing through any website, you see advertisements like you used to see in the newspapers. These are called as the digital display ad, like this. Suppose you are browsing through this page on the internet, and here you see this is the digital display ad. This can be found on the various placements on the web page, here and here at the top, and on the both the sides there are many places where you can see these clickable ads. These are called as the digital display ad. So these digital display ad are also very well targeted and are shown to prospects who are currently searching for these products or services on the internet. You must have experienced that whenever you search for any product or services on the internet, and then after some time, say a few minutes only, you open some web page, you see products or services related to your query which you just search. So these are based on your interest or on your current search, and cookies are used for these. These cookies are very popular or very useful among the internet marketeers. So these are the 6 main places where companies or businesses can run their advertisements. Although the influencer or influencers use many other ways to reach to their customers, like blogs, podcasts, webinars, etc. But as far as paid advertising is concerned, these are the 6 major platforms where you can get your customers. So thank you very much for watching. Please send me your feedbacks and the topics you want to see the more videos. Thank you very much.